Well, we have a small plant database application that we've called SppDb that's designed to run and work with gCADPlus. If you've downloaded and installed it, you can, if you want, start it via the Tools drop-down menu and move down here to Plant Database. Click it, that starts the application product that goes with it. So it's designed for you to build your own little database. You can scroll through the database like so, looking at the different photographs that you've taken or photographs that you have permission to use and put into this particular database. You can switch from table to table in the database and go to a hard space table and then a design one and so on. But we're more interested here in using it. Just imagine that in that design that we were looking at, I wanted a small shrub to go in, and I think Pimelia might well work. So I hit Pimelia, it says can't find that record. If I typed it correctly, that would be better, and I can go backwards and forwards through the database, and there's the one that I was thinking of, Pimelia ferruginea, and I want to make a little symbol of that and use that in my gCADPlus design. So let's switch to that, back to gCADPlus now. Well, back in gCADPlus, I've found a symbol that might suit that Pimelia. I've placed 3 copies of it into the design. So now we want to set data to a plant. So Pimelia ferruginea. I've got 2 entries for it. I need to check the spelling. I think that one is the correct spelling, and we'll go okay, we'll check that later. One of the most irritating things you can do in a plant list is to have a species misspelled. But I digress a little. I will come across here and just update that plant schedule. That's done quite easily with update the plant schedule, and that will put the information we want into there. Let's now come back into the design. I'd like to just show you that you can make an inquiry of a drawing using the gCADPlus drop-down window and say go to SppDb. Pick that and it will ask you to select the plant symbol. Let's pick this one over here, which is an agapanthus. So it flicks out to SppDb and finds that particular record. Let's minimize it and we'll try it again. And now we find the Pimelia. So you can use it as like an interactive test of your design where you can actually look at information about species. So I hope that helps show the different ways you can use the plant database application along with your design work or while you are designing.